Hello, welcome back to our channel Learning Hub.
Good morning everyone. My name is Hind. I am studying 4th grade in SSOT school. First of all, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today, I am going to speak about few lines on Independence Day. Today is 15th August. We are celebrating our Independence Day. This day is very important day for us. On this day in 1947, our country got independence from the British rule. Independence Day is a very proud day for every Indian. On this day, we hoist our national flag. On this day, we remember our freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives for the freedom. On this day, we sing our national anthem and patriotic songs. This day teaches us the value of the freedom. Finally, I love my country very much. Once again, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Learning Hub. Thank you for watching.